everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flagpole, and this is your weekly update. I know, you've been waiting all week to see me and to hear the exciting news. All right, maybe not, but I am excited to give you an update. We've made a lot of progress this week. Last week's big news was that everybody should have either received their flagpole or at least gotten a confirmation email, including a tracking number that it is on its way to you. Let's see, flash collars should be shipping out this, this next week. Our anti-theft Securi-Shur locking mechanisms, the shortened term sleeve clamps, they did recently go on back order, so not everybody has received those in their actual flagpole kit, which is where we typically send them, so they will now be shipping separately if you haven't gotten one. I don't have an estimated ship date on those yet, but we'll keep you posted, and don't worry, you can absolutely go ahead and do your flagpole install process without it. It's something that gets added afterwards anyway. Eagle toppers and eagle flags. This is exciting because we worked hard on this week. They should be starting to ship out within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So we'll be starting to fulfill those. Of course, we're going to be doing it in waves because we have a lot of them to get through. But I am told with great confidence that we should be able to start shipping them out within that time frame. So I think that is everything. Again, a friendly reminder, if you've received an email with certain products listed and it was discounted down to 0, that is not a shipping confirmation. It's simply a record for you to be able to refer back to for those items still outstanding that we have yet to ship to you. We wanted to make sure that you had that as a reference, and it helps us kind of streamline fulfilling those back-ordered items in our system. All right, thank you again for your patience. We really appreciate it. We love having you a part of our flagpole family. We love that you love American small family businesses as much as we do, and together I think that we can continue to just see some really great things for this country, and we're excited to continue our relationship with you. All right, have a wonderful weekend.